This is a Canon Pixma MG6220 printer, and today we're going to show you how to print a nozzle check pattern so you can see if all colors are printing fine. So we're going to make sure there's paper in the bottom drawer from the home menu. Here. So we're going to go to the home menu and we're going to scroll down to where we see setup on the right, and we're going to hit the setup, and then we're going to press OK for maintenance, and then OK for print nozzle check pattern, and we're going to say yes. Our ink is a little bit low. If it gives you a message where it just says that ink is low, just go ahead and let the printer print or change the ink cartridges. In our case, we're just going to go ahead and print it out. And this printer also will show you how much has been used, how many pages has been printed on this certain model. On this one, we can see that there's only been 150 to 200 pages printed on this printer, which is very close to being new. And this is 100% test right here. We can see all colors. This printer also has a gray ink cartridge. Shows it in different shades here. Just for the yellow, and the main black one has one stripe. The rest are going to have a few, 3 per cartridge. So this is what a good printout should look like. If that's not what your printer looks like, pull the print head out and try to clean it, or make sure your ink cartridges are full and not dry. And this printer is going to keep working for a very long time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.